Okay, now let's do question number 6. Okay, similarly here, you will see that we want to find all the angles between 0 and 360. This time is cosine y and y plus 30 degree. So our first step is to find the range. So what we need to find is from 0 to 360 degree, and that's the range for y. But what about y plus 30 degree? Okay, so similarly from the previous examples, we will just sub in the lower limit into y plus 30 degree. 0 plus 30 degree is 30 degree. 360 plus 30 degree is 390 degree. So this is the range that we have found. Okay, now for step number 2, to find the reference angle. So now if we have cosine y sine y plus 30 degree is equals to 0, it means to say by 0 product again, cosine y is equals to 0 or sine y plus 30 degree is equals to 0. So now let's just find our reference angle. To find our reference angle, we will just take cosine inverse 0. So in our calculator, we do second function cosine 0, and the answer you get will be 90 degree. Similarly for here, we get the reference angle to be sine inverse of 0, which gives us 0 degree. Okay, that we are done with second step. Clear? Now for the third step, we have ASTC. So we'll just write down ASTC again, and we need to determine which quadrant it is at. So similarly again, we treat our 0 degree, 0 has a positive number. So in order for cosine to be positive, which quadrant should it be? It's the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So for first quadrant, the answer is just the reference angle. For the fourth quadrant, it will just be 360 minus reference angle. Okay. Now similarly, we will do the same for ASTC for sine y plus 30 degree. So in order for sine y sine to be positive, it will be which quadrant? First and second quadrant. So we will have the reference angle versus 180 minus the reference angle. Okay, that's clear. Then we can go about doing the answer. So x would be equals to the first quadrant and the fourth quadrant here. So first quadrant answer is just 90 degree. Second quadrant, we will take 360 minus 90 degree. So it will be 270 degree. Okay, is 90 degree within the range of 0 to 360? Yes. So is 270 within the range of 0 and 360 degree? Again, yes. So if you were to do a mental check on the reverse cycle and the front cycle, you will realize that this is the only two answers. I cannot add a 360 or minus 360 because it will be out of the range. So now let's do the same for the other one. So here we have y plus 30 degree is equals to, is the first quadrant and the second quadrant. Oh, I realized the mistake. Sorry, this should be a y. Okay, so first quadrant is 0 degree. My second quadrant will be 180 minus 0 degree, which gives me 180 degree. Okay, 0 degree, is it within the range of 30 to 390? Here you see that, this is not within the range. Usually when something is not within the range, we can check the reverse and the forward lah. Okay, if I take 0 minus 360 degree, I'll get negative 360. Obviously, it's out of the range. What if I add a 360 degree instead? So, if that's the case, it will be within the range because 360 is lesser than 390 and more than 30. So, if I go one more round, it's definitely out of the range. Now, let's try for 180. Since there's no negative answer, doing a reverse cycle is quite redundant. So, we don't take 180 minus 360. So, if you take 180 plus a 360, you realize it goes way out of 390 degrees. So that's all for the answer. So if that's the case, I want to find my unknown again, y. So what you do is, okay, so since my 0 is rejected, I don't need to bother. 180 minus 30 gives you 150 degree. 360 minus 30 gives you 330 degree. Okay, and that's all for the answer. So same thing, my answer will be in ascending order. So it'll be 90 degree, 150 degree, 270 degree, and 330 degree. And that's all. Do you get the same answer when you try this question? Okay, so you can take a break. Once you are ready, we'll go to the next question. Question 7 requires a different units. It will be in radian mode.